How do I find the location of my Python site packages directory? How do I find the location of my site packages directory?
There are two types of site packages directories, global and per user. Global site packages, dist packages, directories are listed in sys.path when you run. For a more concise list, run getCite packages from the site module in Python code. Caution: in virtual environments, getCite packages is not available with older versions of virtualenv. Sys.path from above will list the virtualenv site packages directory correctly, though. In Python 3, you may use the sysconfig module instead. The per user site packages directory, pep 370, is where Python installs your local packages. If this points to a non-existing directory, check the exit status of Python and see Python m site help for explanations. Hint: running pip list user or pip freeze user gives you a list of all installed per user site packages. Practical tips. Package._path_ lets you identify the locations of a specific package. Details. Module._file_ lets you identify the location of a specific module. Difference. Run pip show package to show Debian style package information.
Or just first item with site.getSite packages 0. A solution that, outside of virtualenv, provides the path of global site packages, insidu of virtualenv, provides the virtualenv site packages. Is this one-liner? Formatted for readability, rather than use as a one-liner, that looks like the following. Source, and very old version of how to install Django documentation, though this is useful to more than just Django installation.
For Ubuntu is not correct. It will point you to /user/lib/pythons.x/dist packages. This folder only contains packages your operating system has automatically installed for programs to run. On Ubuntu, the site packages folder that contains packages installed via setup_tools /easy_install /pip will be in .x/dist packages. The second folder is probably the more useful one if the use case is related to installation or reading source code. If you do not use Ubuntu, you are probably safe copy-pasting the first code box into the terminal.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.